I need to give a shout out to all mums out there and in different spheres, because I know I'm not perfect, but I have my strengths and each of you have at least one strength. And when we are together and we are in a community, we derive on those strengths. Some of you, despite being mums to neurodivergent kids, oh my God, baking A1. Lagi bagus daripada any baker you can have. Ada yang boleh masak sambil bagi arahan kepada anak untuk go on the swing, jump on the trampoline. Tapi satu tangan lagi masak. Campak benda ni, campak benda tu. Ada yang masa pergi playground, lari dengan satu anak, lepas tu pause, anak tu buat benda lain, deal with another anak. Oh my God, I've seen it all. Tapi itu adalah kebolehan seseorang itu. And kadang-kadang bila saya nampak tu, oh saya tak berkebolehan macam tu. Tapi kalau I nak minta tolong, dia akan tolong. So the fact is, we derive from each other's strength. So kalau ada kebolehan yang boleh menolong satu sama lain, bolehlah kita berkongsi maklumat, berkongsi cara. Oh, kadang-kadang I think bila kita buntu kan, like you are at a dead end, I think my biggest blessing in this entire journey is there will be a mom somewhere who will come and say, why don't you try this? Have you not tried this? And then it's like a light bulb moment. And that is great. And that's why I've always celebrated to say Mother's Day is not just for mothers. It is for teachers who act as role as mothers. There are employers of neurodivergence who also play a motherly role.